she had lived, you know. That's the story. I would think about calling her, like on her birthday, and it would be sort of dull and nice, and she would let me tell her what I was up to, and I would listen to what she was up to, like how her cats were doing, if she was getting her gutters cleaned, whether or not she changed the bulbs early this year. And see, this is the thing. I would hang up, and I would forget about her, because she would just be my mother, the woman that I call once a week. I could take her for granted. I would love her, certainly, but I would love her the way that you love your hands or your knees, if you can even call that love, because you don't really think about it. But she would just be my mother. Known so well that I wouldn't know that I really didn't know her at all. But I could forget about her, because she wouldn't forget about me. Scene.